Hello again, all my Naturalista friends. Happy December 11th, and a special happy birthday to my husband, who's in charge of all our video making. So we give him a happy birthday and a thank you for making all of this happen, because I'm clueless about technology. So if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have any of these amazing videos. Let's see what December 11th has to offer us. Ooh, it's another wide one. Does that mean it's extra special? December 11th. The Kona Sandalwood Reforestation Project in the Big Island of Hawaii. And oh goodness, it has clearly slipped down. Here's that. Okay. I'm wondering if something else has not there. I don't want to peek it another day, so if I'm missing anything, we'll find out later. The Sandalwood Reforestation Project is really awesome because Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood is a really amazing oil. Super good for your skin, and of course it's a wood oil, so we love wood oils. But for a while we couldn't get it because the sandalwood was being stripped, and so it was kind of impossible to get. So this is an amazing project that not only is bringing it back, but bringing it available to us again as well. So let's see what this says. Young Living's partnership with the Kona Sandalwood Reforestation Project exemplifies the importance of preserving cultural values. Only dead or dying sandalwood is harvested for essential oil to maintain the ecological balance. This follows the deeply rooted Hawaiian belief in humanity's responsibility to maintain a respectful relationship with the land. Oils like Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood provided by this partner are used in products alongside Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood Hydrosol, which I actually have that and I love it. It's a mist. I like to mist it on my face. And it's got that nice sandalwood scent, and there's our sandalwood charm right there. And it is just wonderful to know too that, you know, it says the dead or dying wood is the only wood that's harvested. It's great that something that's dead and should be no longer useful is turned into such an absolutely amazing oil as our Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood oil, which is just such a rich oil for our oil collection. So that is a wonderful addition to my necklace. It's getting quite a few charms here. Can you believe how many farms that we have around the world? And we're only on day 11. Make sure you like and subscribe so you get notified, so you can join us tomorrow for day 12 as we continue our journey around the globe with our Once Upon a Farm Advent calendar. See you next time when we spill more wellness, purpose, and abundance.